All right. So this is it. 2011 Exquisite on 9/21 at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody in the break and the teams that you do have. Good luck to everybody. Such a high-end product. $600 a box. So it's definitely up there. So there is everybody in the break. Good luck. Let's see. Serial number on there. The 007. 40-007. Good luck to everybody. Here we go. Right, and like I said, after, because a lot of these guys are obviously all in college, so we'll have the official results after the break tonight. If Anthony D is out there, help me out, brother. If not, I can definitely look up everything, but so if I don't know off the top of my head, we will get the final word. So here we go. This is Roman Gabriel, and that is numbered 58/75. Roman Gabriel. And next is actually a solid hit. It wouldn't have been long ago, but now it is an awesome hit. Russell Wilson. That is so cool. So for the Seahawks, Robert P. Come on, man. And that is card number 80/99. So Russell Wilson. That is fantastic. Then we have, well, why wouldn't we have this tonight? So congratulations to Jesse W. Cam. So an awesome Cam Newton. This is endorsements. Cam Newton autograph, and that is numbered 28/45. So Jesse W. That is well worth it. That's why you always got to take a shot at these. So fantastic hit. Congratulations, Cam Newton, but we are not done. Next hit, Titus Young for the Lions, so Robin W. Nice hit there, and that is 40/60. That's what the, actually, if anybody's seen the previews of Panini Black, it looks ridiculous, so definitely excited, but nice Titus Young hit there. Then we have TJ Yates. Believe he's going to the Texans. Like I said, we'll double check everything, but TJ Yates rookie signatures, and that is numbered 11/70. Autograph there. Nice hit to Robin W. if it goes to the Texans, which I'll double check. Then we have for the Rammers. This is actually a quad signature too, so I'm excited to see. But this is Austin Pettis. Little pull out there. We got Shane Perry. And then on the back side, we got Stephen Ridley and Titus Young. That's kind of tight. These quads are pretty nice. So very, very nice. Going to the Rams. That's Mark R. Nice quad hit, brother. Now to the last card in the box. Going to the Chiefers, Robert P. Come on, man. 3-color John Baldwin. And that is numbered, let's see, card number 7/135. So that's an awesome, awesome hit. Nice 3-color patch. And then in the bottom of this, there's just a filler. And nothing else in there. So guys, thank you so much for swinging by. I definitely appreciate it. Congrats to everybody. The Cam hit, obviously the biggin. But good luck, this weekend, everybody, fantasy football. And